Hello guys and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell your BNB for USDT on Trust Wallet step by step. Okay, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate the Trust Wallet app. Mine is on my home screen, so we're going to be making use of that. While you're logging into the Trust Wallet app, you'd be met with the prompt to input your passcode. And once it's done correctly like this, you'd get into the Trust Wallet app and we can make transactions on this app. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be looking for the coins we wish to swap or rather sell. That's the coin, the USDT. Once you've clicked on that, you check the network, TRC20. It's at the top left corner of the screen, TRC20. And we're also looking for BNB. Okay, I think we can proceed. Once you've located the apps you need to swap or sell, you click on the D apps icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, like so. Once that's done, you'd be clicking on the Pancake Swap exchange. Once that's done, you give it some time to load in. Once it's loaded in, all you need to do is make sure your wallet is connected, and that is by clicking on the wallet icon at the top right corner of the screen. And yeah, you're connected. And all you need to do is select the coins you wish to swap. That's from the USDT to the BNB or the BNB to the USDT. So first of all, you click on the cake icon we just saw earlier. You search for USDT and you click on USDT. It's been selected, and all you need to do is input the amount of BNB you'd like to sell. Let's go with 0.5. That's equivalent to $122, and you'd be receiving 121 due to the exchange rates or whatever causes the imbalance in the currencies. Or if you were to sell USDT to BNB, you just click the arrow pointing down like so, and it's almost the same thing. You're still getting a good amount of BNB for almost the same price as a USDT. And that's all, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions, please comment down below and have a nice one.